Hi, I'm Dan. Most irrigation systems require only routine maintenance, with very few repairs. Identifying and taking care of any minor issue now can help keep the water flow consistent when it's needed most. It's common for your sprinkler heads to become clogged over time with dirt and debris. Occasionally, irrigation lines need to be flushed to clear any dirt or debris. Over time, the seals in your sprinkler heads may become weak, causing leaks. It's best to call your irrigation professional to repair immediately. In the case of a leak, it's important to remember the off position on your controller will not stop the flow of water. In this situation, make sure to turn the water supply off. If you feel additional watering is required, you can choose the manual watering feature on your controller to water at any time. Sprinkler heads may need adjustment at times. It's important to refer to your irrigation professional. Freezing temperatures may cause your irrigation lines to crack. It's vital to get your system winterized. So you can see, your irrigation system can keep it green and healthy with just a little bit of regular maintenance.